Hello, welcome aboard. I'm just going to turn my monitor off because it annoys me when I'm recording. So, what have I had? These at Wife's, Patrick Swayze, whatever, Dirty Dancing, The Hit Machine, Diana Ross, Eddie Grant, Aretha Franklin, Madness, Gary Newman, UB40, all sorts on it. Yep, that one. Sheena Easton, The Lover in Me. No idea. She were a looker, weren't she? 40 solid hits of gold. Cry Me a River, Great Pretender, Love Is All Around, Lola, This Is My Song, Needles and Pins, there's all sorts on it, it's not bad. Robert Palmer, Addictions, Volume 1, apparently. Yeah. Howard Jones, Dream Into Action, only got that because the cover on hers is a bit goosed, and that's a bit better. UB40 Live, she's a big UB40 fan, so that had to be bought. This one, Grease soundtrack, just to replace hers is a bit rough. So she watched Gary Newman thing on TV the other night, saw this, picked it up. Yep, she likes Gary Newman. This one, Rick Astley had a Best of Me vinyl coming out. It's a single album. This one picked up for less than the single album cost. It's the same thing, same tracks. Well, this is a double album. So she were happy with that. This one, I think they were only cheap. Michael Jackson, Ben. Yeah, there's that one. UB40. That one, I don't know what that's called. No idea. Single, UB40. Yep, I've got mine. No idea. This one, Boy George, sold. Yeah. And then there's this single, Boy George and Jesus Love You, The Devil in Sister George, EP. 5 tracks on a 12-inch single. So yeah, I've not seen that one before, but the wife did. The wife got it. They weren't dear. I'll get to mine. John Armour Trading. Me, myself, I. Shaking Street. It's just some... I have no idea who they are. Fabian Shine, Eloise, Ross the Boss, Mike Winter, and Jean-Loup Kalinowski. No idea. Not listened to it really, but I'll give it a listen after. I think these were 50p each. Christy Berg. Yep. Man on the Line. Christy Berg. Far beyond these castle walls. That one, Crusader. Look at him on the back of there. What's it? I'll not say. And this one, we just thought it was a single. Turns out it's an album. It's in a 12-inch single case. I don't know why. Gloria from Laura Branigan, Story of the Blues, The Cutter. John Cougar's on there, Rock and Roll Art, Eric Clapton. It's a WEA in-store single promotion with 14 tracks on, which Seems all right. So a few months ago, a couple of months maybe, I picked up that one, but it was pretty much goosed. So I saw this one, I think it was £1, picked it up. It's bang on, no wrong with it. I don't normally pick MFP and Hallmarky stuff up, but Dave Brubeck, Instant Brubeck. See what he did there? Play on words with coffee here. Brew. Yeah, I like Brubeck. Dave Brubeck. Beach Boys, Good Vibrations. Surfing USA, whatever. All that stuff's on it. Salt Lake City, Surfing USA. Do it again. Beach Boys on Music for Pleasure. Brian Ferry, Ultimate Collection. I do like Brian Ferry. I've got most of his stuff. Yeah, that's some pretty good stuff there. Start with these. Judy Collins, Wildflowers. That's good. Don't ask me why I bought these. I don't know. Streisand, Guilty. I think they were 50p. Streisand, Guilty. I think I got about 20 for a tenner or something. He wanted more, but I weren't paying that. Streisand, Stony End. This one is a weird one. Pretty sure. Yeah, it's all Joni Mitchell, Laura Nyro, Gordon Lightfoot, songs that they've brought, and then Randy Newman, Nilsson, Barbara Keith, all of the people's stuff that she's just done. Yeah, it's all right. It's not bad. She's not got the. I'm going to annoy some people, but I don't care. She's not got the best voice. She's okay. This one's got a better voice. Melanie. Candles in the Rain. I always like Melanie. I think I've got that, but I'm pretty sure it's not in great condition. So, that one. Seals and Croft. I'll Play for You. Never listened to them. They're all right. Middle of roady type of thing. And Johnny Cash. Biggest Hits. Yeah. So, Frankie Miller. Now these were 50p each. Frankie Miller albums. Full House. There's the first one. I think he's not 100% sure. I think he's Scottish. I haven't looked him up. Frankie Miller. Double Trouble. Frankie Miller again. Once in a Blue Moon. They're all perfectly fine, playable, a little bit crackly. That's not really an issue, is it? Frankie Miller Band, The Rock, and another one, Frankie Miller, High Life. You're a bonny looking fella. Some more stuff here. Simple Minds, Live in the City of Light. I bought one last week. I enjoyed it. That one's all right. It's not bad. It's in good nick. That's all that matters. The Baker Gerbich Army. Picked this up in a shop. I think this were £8, but pretty much mint. Yeah, I think they wanted 12 for it, but I blagged them a bit and told them I'd give them 8 for it. I can't even remember where I got these two from. Leonard Skinner, Greatest Hits. Leonard Skinner, even. Leonard Skinner. Another. One more for the road. From the road. By the road, from the road. Same thing. I don't know what I paid for that. This one I paid up for shop in Liverpool. He needs to check his records. I don't think he does. It's a bit more crackly than I would have liked for money that I paid for it. Deep Purple. The Book of Taliesin. Not a first press, I don't think, but such a good album. One of my favourite singers is on this one. Big Brother and the Holding Company, Cheap Thrills. Yeah, that's good, really good. After that one for a while, but there is another one that I've been after for longer. Bear with me a minute, I've got to put them up for. Right, down to the last few. And I think I got this in Liverpool as well. Love Da Capo. I do like these. Really like them. I've got quite a few of their albums. Yeah. This one I'd seen, never seen it really cheap. And I've always thought, well, I'm not going to buy it. There's only 4 tracks on it. Steely Dan, 4 tracks. Do It Again, Dallas, Haitian Divorce, and Sail the Water Away. I'm a massive Steely Dan fan. People don't like them. I do. I don't know why. I just do. Best of the Loving Spoonful, Volume 1, Kama Sutra label. Not sure if it's a reissue. It could be. That one. Marble Arch, Kama Sutra. It probably is a reissue. Another one you don't see many of in England. Kansas. Again, Power. Just don't seem to see them. This guy, I've seen around a bit. Not really took much notice of him. But there were 2 in a shop in Liverpool. Like I said, the guy at the Liverpool shop. I'm not going to mention the name because... But it's on a really well-known street and it's upstairs. And he had this one as well. That one's in good nick. Rory Gallagher. Irish Tour 74. That's all right. The other one I got off him isn't. Check your records. Street Survivors, the one that's not worth a right lot of money. Everybody seems to think it is because it's got flames. No, it's not. It's not worth a fortune. But it's not Lynyrd Skynyrd. I always say Lynyrd Skynyrd for some reason. It's Lynyrd Skynyrd. That. And finally, I think, yep, finally, Atomic Rooster in hearing of. This I've been after for ages. I've never seen a clean copy. Never seen a clean copy cheap. The guy who had this had it on an auction on Facebook. Pegasus thing on that side. Pegasus thing on that. Nearly dropped that. But yeah, I've been after that one ages. Not sure which press it is. I haven't really looked. It's Peg 1. So look inside. That lot, all that. I'd have to check it out, but it's good. It's going on in a bit. Have another listen to it and decide. But most of these, pretty much most of them will be going in my collection. And that's about it, really. So, till next time. See you later. Ding.